currently sitting at 32 doors, and I know that you've acquired a commercial property that's pulling in $98,000 a year.
We were doing single family home flips, rehabbing them, selling them again. We also rehabbed and sold a sixplex early on in our flipping career before we really knew we were going to go into multifamily. So we were doing that.
We did some buy and holds where we renovated, and now they're producing between $300 to $400 a month
Per door.
They are pretty great, and they're
Yes.
paid for. And now, from being our education, we're going to leverage those to go into more multifamily so that we're expanding those horizons
That is
as well.
awesome.
Doing a deal with one of the members of Warriors of Wealth, being able to be a joint venture. Even before we closed on our triple N retail building, we got in on his 18 units, and so now we have that in our portfolio.
Officially, we got back a signed letter of intent for the 18 units in Virginia that are all fully rehabbed, that are going to be cash flow at 14-ish% cash on cash.
It is the greatest group because I can't remember any of the other places where everybody is cheerleading when you have a success, and everybody feels your pain when you have something that doesn't go exactly the way you want it to go.
Made lots of good connections and network, doing deals with people in the group now. So that part of it, having this group to network with,
Is invaluable.
as a starting place to raise the capital is really nice.
And that's what we would say about Warriors of Wealth, is it is not only education program, but a support system as well.